Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Group of Keller Williams Realty. I'm here to help you get real estate smart. All right, the new real estate stats came out for December. Let's see how we finish the year. One of the key words you're going to hear throughout this entire thing is going to be seasonality. What is seasonality? Well, in real estate, we have seasonality. During the summer when school's out, more houses sell because people like to sell when the kids are out of school. And during the holidays, we have seasonality because a lot of people don't like to be selling their house during the holidays. So that's exactly what we're seeing. Let's start with inventory. So inventory compared to November and December fell 13%. Holy cow.
Oh, Lord.
That's a lot. Why? Well, seasonality. People don't like to put their houses on the market during the holidays. And it's obvious people don't want anybody walking through the house other than Santa Claus. So how does this compare to last year? We're up 28% versus last year. Now, why did this drop so much? Well, like I said, new listings to the market for the month of December fell quite a bit, down by 21%. So that's a big drop. But if you compare it to last year, which is not seasonality, it actually went up about 4%. That put us about 4.7 months of supply, which is pretty good, which is better than last month, but that's all because of seasonality. Now, how is this affecting sales? Sales in December compared to November actually went up 19%.
Wow.
You're like, wow, that's awesome. But that's seasonality again. Compared to November, which is the slowest month of the year because of the Thanksgiving, everybody takes off that week, it's gonna go up. And typically a lot of people like to close before the end of the year so they can claim their property taxes for the entire year, even though they might only own the property for less than 30 days. So that is expected. And if you compare it to last year, it's up 9%. So that's pretty good as well. All right, so let's look forward here. One of the things we want to look at as a leading indicator is new contracts. New contracts actually stumbled by 19% versus November. That is seasonality as well, because a lot of buyers are not looking for homes during that time of the month unless they're really serious buyers. But if you compare it to last year, that actually dropped 7% as well. So there's not as many new contracts. Remember, it takes 30 days to close. So the closings for January, I'm going to expect to be lower than they were this same time last year. All right, so how did this affect pricing? Well, median price is $380,000 for December. That's exactly the same thing it was for November. So it stayed steady, okay? But if you compare it to last year, it went up 3.5%. Now that's average. Over time, real estate appreciates about 3, 4 to 5% per month. So we're sitting right in the middle right there. Now, as we look at the interest rates actually dropped in December from 6.7 to 6.5%. However, today, the 15th of the month, they're sitting at 7%. So they scaled up quite a bit and they keep on going up.
What?
That is going to affect affordability. That is going to affect demand, which I'm going back to my predictions that the inventory is going to continue to increase and we are slowly transitioning into a buyer's market. If you're thinking about selling your house within the next couple of years and you're wanting to sell at the peak, you might want to move that up. As the inventory goes up and there's less buyers in the market, in order for those sellers to sell their house, they're going to have to reduce their pricing. And that's why we're going to see it stabilize price-wise. And I'm expecting by the middle of the year, we're going to start seeing some price reductions. So if you're thinking about doing something, I would recommend that you move that up. Give us a call. We can put our 19 years of experience and share with you how we can sell your house, not only when it was during COVID, which was much easier, but in a market that might be declining, and we can help you do that. I hope that you are now real estate smart.